Does the President support the DBM's proposal to cap unprogrammed appropriations at 3% of the national budget? And has the President given specific instructions to the DBM on this matter?
Actually, inalam po natin yan mula mismo sa DBM at sa ngayon po ay nasa pagdadraft pa lang sila ng Philippine Budgeting Code. So, minarapat ko na po na kunin mismo mula sa DBM ang kanilang katugunan patungkol sa nasabing issue. And I will read. The Department of Budget and Management is currently in the process of drafting the administration's proposed Philippine Budgeting Code, which is intended to institutionalize key fiscal reforms, including clearer parameters governing the level, scope, and conditions for the release of the unprogrammed appropriations. A central policy intention under the proposed reform is to ensure that unprogrammed appropriations are confined to a limited and clearly defined purpose, thereby preventing its use as a broad or discretionary funding mechanism and enforcing fiscal discipline. The draft measure will be submitted for review by the economic team, the executive secretary, and ultimately the president. As such, the matter remains under policy development and interagency consultation. As a matter of fiscal policy direction, the DBM's position is to adopt a more prudent and disciplined approach by setting the level of unprogrammed appropriations at a rate level, or rather rate lower than 5% of the total national budget based on historical data and fiscal trends. The precise threshold, however, will remain subject to further deliberation and the President's approval in the context of the proposed budgeting code. Thank you.
Yusek, follow-up lang. Nabanggit niyo po re-reviewin ng economic team. May timeline na po dito.
Kapag po na ibigay na po itong draft at sa ating pagkakaalam, sinabi po ng DBM ay minamadali po nila ito.
And yung rate lower than 5%, the President supports this?
Yes.